Good morning, students. Today start the second video of chapter 2 banking. Good morning, students. Today start the second video of chapter 2 banking. Now here start the calculation of maturity amount on recurring deposit. The interest on the recurring deposit account can be calculated by using the formula I is equal to P into n plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into R upon 100, where I is the simple interest, P is the money deposit per month, n is number of months for which the money has been deposited, and R is the simple interest rate percent per annum. The maturity value of a recurring deposit account can be calculated by using the formula MV, P into n plus I, P into n plus I. Now question number 6. Mr. Gupta opened a recurring deposit account in a bank. He deposited rupees 2,500 per month for 2 years. At the time of maturity, he got rupees 67,500. The total interest earned by Mr. Gupta, the rate of interest per annum. Now look at here, children. P money deposited per month rupees 2,500. And number of months for by which the money is deposited, 2 into 12 is equal to 24. Total money deposited by Mr. Gupta, 2,500 into 24, 60,000. Now, the money which the Mr. Gupta at the time of maturity, 67,500. The money paid by the bank, 67,500 minus 60,000, 7,500. If the rate of the interest is R percent per annum, then by using the formula I is equal to P into n plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into R upon 100. Now 7,500 is equal to 2,500, putting the value of P. N 24 into 24 plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into R upon 100. 7,500 equal to 2,500. 24 into 25 into 2 into 12 upon R 100. Now 0 zeros cancel here. 2 zeros. Now 12 2 ja 24. 12 2 ja 24. 24 24 cancel. Now remaining 25 into 25 is equal to 625. 7,500 upon 625 is equal to R is equal to 12% per annum. R is equal to 12% per annum is the answer. Shahrukh opened a recurring account in a bank and deposited rupees 800 per month for 1.5 years. If he received rupees 15,084 at the time of maturity, find the rate of interest per annum. Now principal is given by rupees 800. Time 3 by 2 year. Now convert the month 2 into 12. 2 6 ja 12, 6 3 ja 18 month. Time is equal to 18 month. Principal is equal to 800. Maturity value 15,084. Now write here using the formula Pn plus I. Pn plus I, putting the value of P, 800 into 18, 800 into 18 plus I. Now interest is equal to 684. Interest is equal to 684. Now apply the formula I is equal to P into R into T upon 100, where T is equal to, using here formula I is equal to P into R into n plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into 100. 2 into 12 into 100. Again here repeated formula P into R into n plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into 100. Now look at here 6400. Now putting the value of P and n, 18 into 19. Here cancel out the values. 2 into R into 3 into 19, cancel out the result. Now R is equal to 6% per annum. R is equal to 6% per annum. Now next question, question number 8. Rekha opened a recurring deposit account for 20 months. The rate of interest is 9% per annum and Rekha received rupees 441 as the interest at the time of maturity. Find the amount Rekha deposited each month. Time 20 months, rate 9% per annum, interest at the time of maturity 441. 441 equal to P into n plus 1 into R upon 100. Apply the formula P into n plus 1 into R upon 2 into 12 into 100, using the formula. Now putting the value of NIR. First of all, interest 441 and 2021 into 9. 9 is the rate of interest. Now cancel out the result. 7 into 4 into 10 is remaining. Now principal equal to rupees 280. Principal equal to rupees 280 is the principal. Last question, question number 9. Mohan has a recurring deposit account in a bank for 2 years at 6% per annum simple interest. He get rupees 1200 as the interest at the time of maturity. The monthly installment and the time of maturity, amount of time of maturity. Time is equal to 2 years, 2 into 12, 24 months. Rate is equal to 6%. Interest at the time of maturity is equal to rupees 1200. Putting the values, I is equal to P into 24 into 25, 2 into 12 into 6 upon 100. Now 12 2 is 24, cancel out. 25 4 is 100, or cancel here 6 by 4, 3 by 2. Now I is equal to 3 by 2p. I is equal to 3 by 2p. Now interest is given by 1200. 3 by 2p is equal to 1200. 2 goes to the numerator and 3 goes to the denominator. 3 4 is 12. 400 into 2 is equal to 800. Now principal is equal to rupees 800. That is the answer. Money deposited per month is equal to rupees 800. Okay children, this video is your over.